Hi everyone, Angela here. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Brother INNOV-IS NV50S sewing machine. I'll be showing you how to use this machine in another video. This model is exclusive to ECHIDNA Sewing here in Australia. You can find the link down in the description below for pricing and bonus package details. I'll also have links for similar machines available in North America. I'll first lay the box down sideways and remove the smaller items from the sides. You can see it's well packed in foam and I need to remove the tape from all of the sides. I also keep the box and all of the packaging just in case I ever need to use it again. The machine's also wrapped in plastic and there's foam underneath the presser foot that you have to lift to remove. There's also blue tape and paper that you usually find on new machines that also need to be removed. Underneath there's a metal base and rubber feet. The machine's also made with a metal frame, giving it some weight so it'll be nice and stable when you're sewing. So if I pop it onto my scale, you can see that it weighs 14.2 pounds or 6.45 kilos. So it's got some weight to it, but it's easily portable. Included with this machine is a dust cover made of lightweight ripstop material with an opening at the top for the handle. There's also a quick reference guide, a booklet with small sewing projects, a parts list, and also the operation manual. There's a power cord that plugs into the power supply jack on the side, and on top of that is the main power switch to turn the machine on. Then we have a foot controller that just plugs into the jack underneath the air vent. And at the top, we have the hand wheel that raises and lowers the needle. When the machine is turned on, the light in the working area and the backlit LCD screen will light up. Here we have the stitch length keys, the stitch width keys, the needle mode key. This switches between single and twin needle mode, and also the automatic reverse and reinforcement key, or what I call the automatic back tacking or back stitching key. There's a display of the 50 different stitches, including utility and decorative stitches, and 5 different buttonholes. Under that is the stitch pattern selection dial. Here we have the sewing speed controller, the needle position button, the reinforcement stitch button, the reverse stitch button, and the start-stop button. This allows you to sew without using the foot controller. On the top we have the bobbin winder, the carry handle, the spool pin and the medium-sized spool cap, the thread guide, the bobbin winding thread guide, the thread guide cover and the thread channel, the thread take-up lever, and the thread tension dial. There are illustrated threading guides for the upper thread and the bobbin. On the side here we have the presser foot lever to lift and lower the presser foot. You can even lift it up higher for thicker fabrics. Here we have the needle plate, feed dogs, and the bobbin cover latch. Just slide it to the right to remove the bobbin cover. Inside is one of the standard A-style bobbins that's included with the machine. This machine has Brother's quick set bobbin system, which means it's almost jam-proof once it's threaded properly. On the side we have the lever for the built-in advanced automatic needle threader and also a thread cutter. This means no more struggling to thread that needle. Underneath, there's a lever that you pull down when using the buttonhole attachment. When you need to change your presser foot, just press the black button on the back of the holder to release it. This machine has the standard J sewing foot already attached. It has a black locking pin on the side that keeps the foot level when stitching over thick fabrics. On the back, there's a feed dog position switch. Slide it to the left to drop the feed dogs for your free motion sewing or darning, and also to sew on buttons. Removing the flatbed attachment allows for free arm sewing, making it a lot easier to sew sleeve cuffs and pant hems. This attachment is also a storage compartment for your accessories. In the little bag you have the A foot or the automatic buttonhole foot with the button guide plate at the top. The M foot or the button sewing foot, this one's great because it also allows you to sew a shank button. The G foot or the overcasting or overlocking foot, this is great if you don't have an overlocker or serger. The R foot or the blind hem foot, this allows you to hem garments and have it look almost invisible on the right side of the fabric. The I foot or the zipper foot, the end foot or the applique or monogramming foot, and 3 of the 4 included bobbins. In the other bag we have a spool net. You can put this around spools of thread that easily unravel, such as nylon or metallic threads. There's also an extra spool pin that goes up here for your twin needle sewing. Twin needles and also a needle set. The other 2 spool caps, large and small. A cleaning brush and a seam ripper. An eyelet punch. A flathead screwdriver. A small flathead screwdriver, and also a disc-shaped screwdriver that you can use to remove the needle plate. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, you're going to find that this machine is really good value with all of its great features. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.